Here's an update from Kopplin, Kuebler, and Wallace.
Blessings Golf Club in Johnson, Arkansas is now looking for a director of agronomy who is an outgoing and energetic leader with a passion for the game of golf and providing premier golfing conditions. The impeccably maintained course stretches over 7,900 yards and was originally designed by architect Robert Trent Jones, Jr., with a redesign recently completed by noted architect Kyle Phillips. The extensive practice areas are unrivaled and provide both indoor and outdoor facilities. The outdoor practice areas feature a range with multiple teeing areas and numerous range targets. A separate short game practice area features practice greens, sand bunkers, and a putting green. The club is the home to the University of Arkansas men's and women's golf teams and was the host site for the men's and women's 2019 NCAA Division I Golf Championships, the 2020 Southern Junior, and the annual Blessings Collegiate Invitational. Salary is open and commensurate with qualifications and experience. The club offers an excellent bonus and benefit package, including GCSAA membership. For a complete position profile and list of qualifications, consult the Kopplin, Kuebler, and Wallace website under current openings. To apply, you must submit your current resume and cover letter.
For more information, visit kknw.com.